Alright guys, today I bumped into a group of people. I consider myself as coming to the gym for quite a while now, but I really would like to learn from this group of people and see what they can teach me, okay? Look, this is a bunch of guys that is stick together. Hi guys, say hi.
Hello.
My name is Steven, and what's your name?
My name is Johnny.
Johnny?
My name is Hayden.
Hayden?
My name is Zahad.
Zahad?
And I'm Justin.
And Justin. Alright guys, so are you guys all student?
Yeah.
High school student?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now guys, what are you all doing?
I'm like working on arms, upper body.
Uh-huh.
I don't do legs much, but I do like sometimes. I still do like upper body a lot.
Good. And what are you working on?
I'm doing upper chest, biceps, triceps,
Uh-huh.
not legs. I don't do legs.
You don't do legs? And you?
I'm doing legs and chest.
Leg and chest? Good.
Yeah, and I pretty much do everything, but like, yeah, never legs. Like rarely.
Why do you work out? Johnny.
I work out because like, you know, when I was like younger, I was like really fat, right?
Fat, okay.
Yeah, I was fat. I was kind of lazy as well.
Uh-huh.
But when I started going to gym, like kind of like, I don't know, I saw the progression.
Uh-huh.
You know, I just want to make myself look good.
Uh-huh.
Or like, you know, myself, be strong as a person, so I can like protect myself and my family, you know?
Good, good, good. So when you're fat last time, what sort of fat are you? Like, are you really chubby or you just little bit fat? What are you?
I was really chubby when I was younger.
Uh-huh.
And then, you know, I used to kind of get bullied by it. Like, I was kind of like, you know, emotionally hurt by it.
Yes.
I was, you know, just work out in that. So,
Can I tell you something?
yeah.
I was really fat before.
Yeah.
My waist was 38 inches. I was round. Okay? My height 165, 93 or 95 kilos. That is round, right? And that's why I have this nickname Koala because I'm big and cuddly, right? That's how I get. So good on you for getting into good shape. And you? What do you work out?
I was just like, I was chubby last 2 years.
Last 2 years,
I was
chubby.
like-
But you stick,
I
right?
did cardio and I lost too much weight. So
Ah.
I didn't gain more weight.
So what sort of cardio did you do? Just running? You run on treadmill or you run on?
Yeah, the treadmill outside.
That's good. And how long do you normally run?
Not that long actually.
Like how many Ks do you usually do?
I think average like 1 to 2.
1 to 2? That's very good. That's very good. I mean, if you can get the consistency up, that's very important. And you?
I used to be fat too. I was like 70 kilos in year 6.
Wow.
And then I got bullied by it. So I was like, I started working out at home. And then I realized I might as well go to the gym. And yeah, so I just started working out, got a bit better. Now I'm young.
You guys are not fat. Look at this. You are all skinny, man. What do you mean not fat? Anyway.
Yeah, I was like fat for my whole life.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
In like high school, I started getting insecure in lockdown. So then I started to better myself. Yeah. I'm gym to better myself.
Uh-huh. That's very good. So now, guys, tell me honestly, none of you actually come to the gym because of ladies.
Actually, maybe like a little bit.
A little bit. Half. It helps, yeah? Okay, let me tell you a bit of story, alright? Even though I am a lot older than you, when I was your age, I am going through exactly what you're going through. I was fat, I was teased in the class, I was called all different nicknames, whatever, and I can't do exercise. I'm the last one that I get picked up on basketball team. So I had enough of that. So one of the things that I told myself when I was probably 16, 17, I told myself I will never want to see a belly in the rest of my life. And guess what happened? Last time we had a reunion for all my high school friends, all the used to be skinny and tall guys now, they all have a big belly, and I'm the only one that still have a 4-pack in front of me. So guys, whatever you do, keep up with your workout routine because that is very, very important for the rest of your life. And really, fitness really is for everyone. Doesn't matter your age, you know, gender or career, job. People have full-time jobs, they can still come to the gym, you know. So just keep doing that. You know, you guys are studying, you can still commit 1 hour, 2 hours. Because it's also a very good time to take a break from the study as well to get your blood flow into your brain. So you actually, like last time, not only I come to the gym, I run, I also play basketball. So it's a good physical balance aspect to, you know, to keep the physical side going because you're sitting down, it's just so not healthy looking at the screen, you know, all type of screens. So very good. Really happy to look these young kids, funny enough, going through exactly the same sort of phases that I was going through when I was young. So that only prove one thing, that is fitness is really for everyone at any time, for all ages as well. Alright guys, well thank you for all your time. I'm really glad that I learned something from you guys. And yeah, peace out. Cheers guys. Bye. Look what the kids are doing. Look at what the kids are doing. They're trying to take their progress shot. Progress shot, yes. Look, this is a bunch of guys that is stick together. If you remember the last gym mates, he's probably starting from exactly the same positions. So I'm very happy to see these guys start somewhere, because by the time in 5-6 years time, they will be the bulky guys in the gym. Alright guys, well done and keep going with that. Alright, I'm signing out now.
이건